Polkim Sarangrim, Kamsamida. Thank you for the melty and Happy New Year! Bye-bye!
Dara ang melty na humanaog kuan kotaw. Hi Liza.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Hi Kizal. And hi myself, Annyeonghaseyo. So, bye-bye.
Kamsahamnida.
We all drink now.
Uncle Tubunin, kamsahamnida. Thank you so much for this yummy chips to Let's eat now. Yummy. Bye-bye. Kamsahamnida.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Annyeonghaseyo, Chuseok Junim.
Kamsahamnida.
Happy New Year!
Okay, let's do a recap with our exam last night about subject, verb, and agreement. So here is fill in the blank the correct form of verb. For number 1, the student blank study diligently for exams. Ano siya? Studies. Because ang subject is student singular, which is the subject, and the sentence is in a simple present tense. The correct form of the verb study is studies. For number 2, those flowers blank blossom in the spring. Blossom kay the subject flowers is plural. So require po siya ang verb, agree the number, plural. Then next, for number 3, a cat blank pour contentedly on the windowsill. First, kay ang cat is, ang subject is singular, so the verb is singular also. For number 4, both parents blank attend the school meeting. Attend. Kay ang both ang parents is plural noun. Then the subject and the verb is also plural. Then for number 6, number 5, the sun blank shine brightly in the sky. Shines because the sun is singular. So agree siya sa number of person sa verb. Then for number 6, several birds blank chirp in the early morning. Chirp kay birdsman. The birds is subject, which is plural since it refers more than one bird. For number 7, the chef blank prepare a delicious meal. Prepares. The word chef is singular. For number 9, my friend blank called me last night. Called kay ang friend is subject is singular, then last night man, so past tense. Okay? Annyeonghaseyo. For this morning, my L3 students will share their paragraph about their New Year's resolution. Angeline, you may start reading your paragraph.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. I would like to share my New Year resolution.
New year, new life. In a short word, I'm going to change my life. I'm going to change my attitude, and I'm not going to cry easily anymore. I'm going to be brave, and I'm going to listen to my parents. Going to study hard for my scholarship, but I really can't change my fears. But I can control my Chinese a little, and that's all. And Happy New Year, everyone. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you. Desiree?
Annyeonghaseyo, everyone. I would like to share my New Year's resolution.
New Year's resolution.
I want to be a new me, a better me. I'm making resolution to become more independent and confident. I'm going to work even harder on my studies and change my habits. I have the power to make this change. I'm excited to see how much I can do.
Okay. That's all. Thank you. Okay, when you read your sentences, you need to pronounce the words loud and clear. Put feelings and be confident enough. Okay? I am clear. Okay, next time, kung mag-read mo og paragraph, mo na to ang istorya ninyo ha. Na feelings, loud and clear ang pronounce sa words. Okay? Thank you, and that's for all this morning.
So I hope sa inyong balay na ulo. Hello, sige nga itaw na si Yaya din. Okay. Oh, nagunsa nagsabong. Sige, so pasagdi na lang dyan na sila diba? Ilahamang puti. Okay, so our agenda is all about the attendance. Dili jud kalimtan nga mo inform, if mo excuse, if na valid reason mo chat, and dili gid mi taga Islam mga ati, we're not living on the island para di ninyo maduol ang study room para mananghid ha. So if walay load, there is no reason kaya pwede ka jud lakawon ang balay ha. Okay, mananghid gyud kay dili jud mi mo tolerate if attendance. Kay it means if wala information nya excuse ang bata or absent, laziness. Katapulan. Sakto? Sige. Sunod, savings. Thank you sa mga nag-send na, and I hope sa katong mga wala pa nag-send, mag-send na sa. Na may wala nag-send diri? Nag-send na mo tanan no? Wala siya naka-deposit. So yung matuti, uy.
Okay, mo hukta siya itong pag-ibisa na teacher, diba? Palis man nila ito ang live siguro niya. Pagka-uman, hukta siya, actually, hindi siya sa skulahan, naog lang siya pa. Na-error man ang kuwan teacher.
Offline.
Oo. Pagka-bernis na ang kasabong tag, hindi ko na ito niya. Kaya hindi siya ng hapon. Yung skulahan na siya, anak. Pinawagtang man. Tagap man siya, ako siya kabantay.
Pero ang card niya tinaga.
Na-apply ko teacher, pero nakuha na naman teacher na nakuha na dito.
Ang account, inya nang nabalhin sa other card. O logi kay
Basta kung yaw-yaw.
Mo,
Di ako sige na, na-imposta ng kuhan.
nataga ka, ti. Sa jeep.
Naglakaw na siya, teacher.
Wala siya kabantay. Huwag ka gikuha na. Pupunta ka balusan. Sige. Sige na lang. Ato na lang hunahon nga. Ang nakapunit ato is nakatabang to niya. Sakto? So, ingana lang siya. Basta mawagtangan ko nung una lang yun ako naon. Ay, nakatabang to sa nakapunit. Kay sakit magod kaayo ko. Imuhang unaon og maayo ba? Sige, so, thank you. Kay nakasend naman tanan no. And then, kabalog, ingnan naman sa inyong mga anak, mga junakis, nga butangan og ngalan. So, in-send sa picture, butangan ninyong text. For example, Kisha.
Siya naman nagputang.
Okay, ako man to silang gipang demohan, gituluan ako sila din sa study room. Ingani ninyo pag-send ha. So sila rin din nag-send. Okay, very good yun sa students. So, pakpaki, uy, ka very good inyong mga babies.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good evening. So we are here again to brush our teeth. Let's go. Water. Your hearing of the teeth. Wah. Oh. Ba. Kau ha. Ang tayo. Gaul. Ayo, man.